Hi, my name is Samantha Taylor, and I am applying to the Office of Finance and Accounting Office Assistant position. The first question on your list is, how do you envision your role in the position contributing to the overall mission of our organization? Well, I saw that you all are looking for individuals who have extensive experience in office functions, and that's definitely me. And for at least the past 4 years, every single position I've had has involved daily office functions. I've had to answer phones, um, respond to emails in respectful ways, talk to community members, fax, create copies of documents, create documents, create Excel sheets, data entry, anything you could think of. When it's daily office function, I've probably done it. And also, I saw you're looking for individuals who are positive, and that's really is something that I try and thread into my life, especially at work. I think it helps create a more welcoming environment, and really, if individuals feel welcome, I think they're going to do their job better, and it's going to happy workers, happy life. And also, I'm really dependable, and I don't just say that. I rarely call out from work, and I take great pride in my work, and I really do try to do my best and go above and beyond. Next question: how do you go about establishing your credibility with your coworkers? Well, I would go about it the same way I've done in my previous jobs, and it's just really about being respectful and performing my job well. A way that I can think about how I do it for this position is doing my work on time, perhaps even earlier, and always being willing to help out your other coworkers. And that one is actually really important to me because I think sometimes your coworkers can get really caught up and they'll need some help, and being willing to help them, I think, can go a long way with just that work environment. And then the next question: can you describe a situation in which your work was criticized? Honestly, nothing really comes to mind, and I think that's because I like to just, when I get to work, kind of just focus on the task at hand and get my work done. Next question: what irritates you about other people and how do you handle it? The thing that irritates me most about other people is when they're not respectful to one another, either by saying rude comments or just talking behind each other's backs. And a way that I deal with that is either just directly, for example, just saying, hey, that's not cool, or just completely just changing the subject to just avoid that. And I think that's a way to respectfully show the individual, like, I'm not here to support, that type of comments. The next question: what can I offer you all that others cannot? I think one of the key things is my extensive knowledge of the UAF culture. When I first went to UAF, I was really impressed by the staff at UAF and the faculty and just the environment there, and it's really something that's been a part of my life since then. And also, my hours of availability are really flexible. If there was ever a time where you needed another helping hand, I'm always willing to come in and work. And like I said before, I really do take pride in my work, and I always here to do my best and learn and grow in my work environment. Last question: if you could choose any superhero power, what would it be and why? It would definitely be telekinesis, and that because it'd make daily tasks a lot more efficient. I try and take efficiency, carry that into my work environment. For example, when I was a UAF office assistant for financial systems, we would have to send out these memos to hundreds of people, and we used to just individually label them. That took a lot of time, and I created a task where we, instead of doing that, we just had the printer automatically do that, and that saved us a lot of time. And then while working as a women's advocate, whenever we'd have like meetings together, we would all individually carry folders, and so I thought of an easier way for us to carry them all. One person can just carry it all, put it into a little cart. I think really being more efficient in a workplace just gets rid of those little minute stretchers that some of us experience. Thank you so much for the time and consideration for this position, and I hope to hear from you soon.